I'm at Native Villa, and I'm from YouTube, and just doing some documentaries of what you have here.
All handcrafted jewelry and art, bracelets carved on alligator teeth.
So where can they reach y'all other than today? Where can you be reached at,
You can always find me through Facebook or through the Native.
And what is your Facebook name?
Robar 77.
Okay, Robar 77. Okay, I got that jotted down. So that's what's going on. So he's out here today, and he's selling, a lot of stuff. The alligator teeth, the t-shirts, even the earrings and everything. Beautiful display and everything. So if you want to hit him up, you hit him up at www.facebook.com/ROBART77, and that's what's up. And that's when you could get some of this nice display that he has going on here. And that's a wrap.